entrepreneur sectors and problems which can occur in those sectors. Today we will select one sector and in the next week we will discuss the problem in detail
and solutions.
and the solutions.
So that person is currently the mentor for Kishore Biyani of the Future Group, because Future Group was facing the problem like 2 years back because they were stuck in the retail business, and then he helped him out in a way. He also helps him with the spiritual thing and everything, because all these things keep you motivated and moving.
Yes.
So yeah, these kind of organization, consulting, all these things are important. In fact, law.
Yeah.
To start a new business, we don't know the
Laws, regulations and regulations related to it. And also with the law, I think registration, how to register a particular business.
Yeah.
Because registration for every sector is different.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So knowing that.
That come inside rules.
Exactly, I said
The laws and rules. Yeah.
Yeah.
Societal response to the idea. What if they don't?
I believe I would like to add to that mentor, because there are lots of ideas which come up, but as world is globalized, we actually don't know if the idea is actually implemented or not in the other parts of the country.
Right, yes.
So we should know if the idea is into progress or not. So that research into going deep into the idea is
Cutthroat
quite
competition
short
can
in
also be
India.
a point.
Because seeing a manufacturer
takes that into account.
Most of the time, because we come up with an idea, we think that it is already existing and we cannot compete the players, so we didn't go for it.
True.
So all these things.
And also
we
we
also
have-
need stats.
Stats, yes. Because the person who comes up with the idea is so much in love with the idea that he thinks it is implementable, but it is not in reality sometimes.
Yeah.
So that's why we need a mentor.
True, and
And
a second opinion.
second
Yeah.
opinion, yes.
And and there is also a problem like there's an idea, but you need the constant innovation of the idea.
Yes.
Because in a particular time frame, say electronic market or say IT technology, it changes in a flash. So constant improvement of the same idea is required. So I believe that is also one of the problems where you innovate it once, but you need constant innovation again and again on your idea.
That is not for a new startup, that is for developing your business, you're trying to say.
No, I believe
For a new
startup also, because if you say
You may have a basic idea, but if you conform it according to the situation present.
so
For
like-
instance, in fact, not just socio-culture. Socio-culture will be a cause of that problem. It is like if I have a competency in one thing, I am not able to change it
Yeah.
according to the market demands.
Right.
Because market demands me, for this example, to give more product from vegetarian. But since I have this core competency and other market players also existing.
Right. So how to decide on a market? Where should
Yeah.
I launch? Can
Yeah.
be the problem.
Yeah. So statistics can help us.
Market.
We need
Market
such
Market research.
yeah,
Market
we need
research.
such organizations who help us with the market research. and
Right. Right.
yeah. Funds.
Finance, yeah, funds.
There is also one of very important factor which is to be considered is getting we do not get the right staff.
Yeah, still
Yes, yeah.
Another thing that feature mentioned a while ago is the current competition in that market.
Yeah.
True. Whatever segment it is.
The cutthroat competition.
Yeah.
Permission for land.
Rules and regulations.
Not talking about the finance.
In finance sector, entrepreneurship
Uh,
opportunities in the
the
finance
sectors who can invent
About
financial
the sector.
Trading. Trading.
There is also one of the important things.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like tourism sector because that's very much booming.
Yeah.
And that's Swachh Bharat. So like all subsidiaries of the tourism sector to get improved.
Yeah, in fact,
yeah.
some days back I read an article with I think he's a person who they make Dettol in their products, and they said that because of these government policies coming in, increasing hygiene and everything, our products will definitely sell. They are hoping, and all these things are going to impact their business.